How to sell your home for top dollar even when it's a fixer-upper. Hi, my name is Stacy Bogle at sellmyhousefastbaltimore.com, solutions to selling houses needing updates and repairs. I am an investor and a realtor at Exit on the Harbor Realty in Baltimore, Maryland. So, let's talk about when selling a fixer-upper as is. Homeowners often realize that the house spends more days on the market. They're getting a lower percentage of list price and having to make more price reductions on the home and ultimately selling the house for less. So the key to getting top dollar for your fixer-upper is making smart renovations that will attract more buyers, increase sales price, and put more money into your pocket. So today's buyers, who are today's buyers? They are millennials. They are 22 to 39 years in age. They are working longer hours with less time to spend maintaining and caring for a home. They prioritize convenience. And ultimately, today's buyers want turnkey, move-in ready homes. Some of the challenges now that homeowners face when trying to sell a fixer-upper is that they're unable to attract enough buyers in the current condition of the home. They often think that it's too expensive to update and repair the home, and there's limited cash flow. So when you're trying to sell a fixer-upper, pre-sale renovation will be the solution to get you that top dollar for your home. Curbio makes pre-sale renovation possible by offering homeowners an opportunity to renovate the house before listing and then to defer the payment until settlement. Working with Curbio to get your house market ready to sell is unique because there's no fees up front, there's no interest due, and there are no time limits on how long it takes to sell your home. So you're probably thinking, well, who is Curbio? Curbio is a technology-based home improvement company headquartered in Potomac, Maryland. They specialize in pre-sale home improvements that deliver value when the house is on the market. Whether your house needs a fresh coat of paint and just a few minor repairs, or even a complete kitchen remodel, Curbio focuses on smart renovations that increase home value, attract today's buyers, and bring you a high return on investment. Curbio partners with real estate agents and homeowners to work as a team to determine which home improvements will appeal to the local buyers. And their ability to leverage technology, it allows them to renovate the home 65% faster than the average contractor. And then most of the pre-sale renovations are completed within 3 to 8 weeks. On average, pre-sale home renovated homes spend 58% fewer days on market, and homeowners see a profit increase of $50,000. So let's take a minute to review a completed pre-sale renovation in Germantown, Maryland. And so now these sellers were able to double their sale price after working with Curbio on pre-sale renovations. Now the current as-is value of the home was $145,000. The sellers invested $72,000 to renovate the home. These renovations were smart renovations, and they included painting the home with light, neutral colors throughout the home that appealed to today's buyers. They upgraded with stainless steel appliances. They upgraded the countertops, the cabinets, the kitchens, the cabinets, the hardware in the kitchen and the bathroom. And this helps to give like that fresh, updated modern feel that buyers are looking for. They upgraded the flooring in the kitchen and the dining area, and they also upgraded light fixtures in the bathroom. So this home went under contract in just 4 days, and it sold for $290,000, which was over list price or over asking price. So pre-sale renovation added over $72,000 in value to this home. Now, if you're thinking of selling, pre-sale renovation is how to get top dollar for your home, even when it's a fixer-upper. To learn more about pre-sale renovation and how you can partner with Curbio, download my free homeowners guide to pre-sale renovation go to www.sellmyhousefastbaltimore.com/go/pre-sale renovation.